Three main differences ng DJ headphones compared sa consumer headphones. They do the same thing, pero they're built differently kasi iba nga yung use case nila, di ba? So here are the top 3 differences. First up is the build quality. Yung DJ headphones heavy duty to. Dahil tayo mga DJ, di ba, suotin natin yung headphones ng ganito, suotin natin ng ganyan, suotin natin sa leeg natin, tatanggalin natin, tapos minsan naihahagis pa ito sa DJ booth or sa DJ table. We're pretty rough when it comes to handling our headphones. Kaya kailangan gawa siya sa materials that can withstand a lot of abuse, gig in and gig out, day in and day out, di ba? So, I know this for a fact dahil nung nagsimula ako mag-DJ, hindi ako gumagamit ng actual DJ headphones, mga consumer lang. So nababasag ko, usually yung mga headband, yun yung mga unang nasisira. Kapag bumili ka ng DJ headphones, usually the headband is reinforced kasi madalas dito nanggagaling yung bale o kaya dito sa ear cups. Now, the second main difference is the sound. DJ headphones tend to have a bias towards the low end dahil napaka-importante na marinig natin yung kick drum pati yung bass habang tayo ay nagdi-DJ, habang tayo ay nagbi-beat mix, di ba? Consumer headphones, sometimes they do have that sort of bump doon nga sa low end, di ba? Pero mas pronounced siya sa DJ headphones kasi, yun na nga, we rely on the kick drum, the bass drum, as well as the low end in order to determine kung, yun na nga, tugma yung dalawang kanta na minimix natin. Now, last but not the least, and personally, this is the most important feature of a pair of DJ headphones, they usually have passive noise isolation by virtue of their design. Noted, I said passive noise isolation. Hindi siya yung parang mga Bluetooth earbuds na ganito na merong active noise cancellation, di ba? Yung active kasi, ibig sabihin, may baterya siya and then it filters out the sound coming from the outside. May mga microphone yan, yung mga AirPods or yung mga Google Pixel buds na ganito. So it removes the ambient noise. Yung mga ear cups ng DJ headphones are passive. So that means they're built in such a way na they filter out some of the ambient noise without needing any batteries, without having any special equipment on board. It's just in the way they're made. They're closed back and they have a little bit more mass para yun na nga, makapagtanggal siya ng ambient noise. Dahil alam naman natin na sa club mismo maingay na, sa DJ booth mas maingay pa, di ba? So if we want to hear those songs that we're mixing, especially when we have these headphones on, we need to be able to block out some of that ambient noise para makapag-focus tayo dun sa kanta na minimix natin. So there you go, the 3 main differences of DJ headphones. If you have more questions about how DJ headphones are used or how they differ from consumer headphones, let me know in the comments.